Want to grow your YouTube channel quickly and effectively? This is why you need invideo-io to hit 10K YouTube subscribers. Growing a YouTube channel can often feel like an uphill battle, especially when you're just starting out. The competition is fierce, and standing out in a sea of content creators can be daunting. But what if I told you there's a tool that can make this journey not only easier, but also more enjoyable? Enter invideo-io, your new best friend in the world of content creation. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or a newbie, invideo-io has something to offer everyone. So let's dive in and explore how this incredible tool can help you reach that coveted 10K subscriber milestone faster than you ever imagined. Start by heading over to invideo-io. It's a game changer. The first step in transforming your YouTube channel is to familiarize yourself with invideo-io. This platform is designed to simplify the video creation process, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills. When you visit the invideo-io website, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface that guides you through the entire process. From brainstorming ideas to publishing your final video, invideo-io has got you covered. The website is packed with resources, tutorials, and templates that can help you get started in no time. So take a moment to explore the site and see what it has to offer. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how much easier your life as a content creator can become. Just type in your video idea and watch the magic happen. One of the most challenging aspects of creating content is coming up with fresh and engaging ideas. With invideo-io, this task becomes a breeze. Simply type in your video idea, and the AI will generate a script, suggest visuals, and even provide editing tips. It's like having a personal assistant who understands your creative vision and helps bring it to life. This feature is particularly useful for those days when you're feeling stuck or uninspired. With invideo-io, you'll never run out of ideas, and you'll always have a clear direction for your content. So go ahead and give it a try. Type in your next big idea and watch as invideo-io works its magic. Invideo-io generates engaging videos in minutes. Once you have your idea, the next step is to create the video. This is where invideo-io truly shines. The platform uses advanced algorithms to generate high-quality videos in a matter of minutes. You don't need to spend hours editing footage or tweaking settings. Invideo-io does all the heavy lifting for you, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating content. The AI takes care of everything from transitions to effects, ensuring that your videos look professional and polished. This means you can produce more content in less time, giving you a significant advantage in the competitive world of YouTube. So, sit back, relax, and let invideo-io handle the technical details while you concentrate on delivering your message. No more hours of editing. Editing can be one of the most time-consuming parts of the video creation process. It's easy to get lost in the details, spending hours perfecting every frame. But with invideo-io, you can say goodbye to those long editing sessions. The AI streamlines the entire process, allowing you to create stunning videos in a fraction of the time. This means you can focus on other important aspects of your channel, such as engaging with your audience and promoting your content. Plus, with the time you save, you can produce more videos, increasing your chances of reaching that 10K subscriber milestone even faster. So, if you're tired of spending countless hours in front of your computer, give invideo-io a try. You'll be amazed at how much more productive you can be. Now, here's the secret sauce: consistency. One of the most important factors in growing a YouTube channel is consistency. Posting regular content keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. But maintaining a consistent upload schedule can be challenging, especially if you're juggling other responsibilities. This is where invideo-io can make a huge difference. By automating the video creation process, invideo-io allows you to produce content more efficiently, making it easier to stick to a regular posting schedule. Whether you plan to upload weekly, bi-weekly, or even daily, invideo-io can help you stay on track. So, set a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Your audience will appreciate the regular updates, and you'll see your subscriber count grow as a result. Use InVideo to pump out polished videos regularly. The key to success on YouTube is not just about quantity, but also quality. With invideo-io, you can achieve both. The platform's advanced editing tools ensure that your videos look professional and polished, even if you're producing them at a rapid pace. This means you can maintain a high standard of quality while still posting regularly. InVideo AI offers a wide range of templates, effects, and transitions that can help you create visually stunning videos with minimal effort. So, take advantage of these features and start pumping out high-quality content on a regular basis. Your audience will notice the difference, and your subscriber count will reflect your hard work and dedication. The more quality content you produce, the faster you'll grow. It's a simple equation. The more high-quality content you produce, the more opportunities you have to attract new subscribers. With InVideo AI, you can create a steady stream of engaging videos that will keep your audience coming back for more. The platform's intuitive design and powerful features make it easy to produce content that stands out from the crowd. So don't be afraid to experiment with different formats, styles, and topics. The more diverse your content, the wider your reach will be. And remember, every video you upload is a chance to connect with new viewers and grow your subscriber base. So keep creating, keep experimenting, and watch your channel grow. Don't forget to optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags. Creating great content is only half the battle. To maximize your reach, you need to optimize your videos for search engines. This means using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. InVideo AI can help with this too. The platform offers tools and tips for optimizing your content, ensuring that it ranks higher in search results. This means more visibility for your videos and more potential subscribers. So take the time to research keywords and incorporate them into your content. It may seem like a small detail, but it can make a big difference in your channel's growth. And with InVideo AI's help, optimizing your videos has never been easier. InVideo AI can help with that too. In addition to its video creation and editing features, InVideo AI also offers tools for optimizing your content. The platform's AI-driven suggestions can help you choose the best keywords, write compelling descriptions, and create eye-catching titles. This means you can spend less time worrying about SEO and more time focusing on creating great content. Plus, with InVideo AI's analytics tools, you can track your video's performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your channel's growth. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, InVideo AI has everything you need to optimize your content and reach a wider audience. Catchy titles and clear descriptions attract more viewers. When it comes to attracting viewers, first impressions matter. Your video's title and description are the first things potential viewers will see, so it's important to make them as compelling as possible. InVideo AI can help you craft catchy titles and clear descriptions that grab attention and encourage clicks. The platform's AI-driven suggestions take the guesswork out of writing, ensuring that your content is optimized for maximum engagement. So take the time to craft titles and descriptions that accurately reflect your video's content and entice viewers to watch. With InVideo AI's help, you can create compelling metadata that attracts more viewers and boosts your channel's growth. And hey, promote your videos on social media. In today's digital age, social media is a powerful tool for promoting your content and reaching a wider audience. By sharing your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, you can attract new viewers and drive traffic to your YouTube channel. InVideo AI makes it easy to create eye-catching promos that are perfect for social media. The platform offers a wide range of templates and tools that can help you create engaging posts that stand out in the crowded social media landscape. So, don't be afraid to promote your videos on social media. The more exposure your content gets, the more subscribers you'll attract. InVideo's templates make creating eye-catching promos a breeze. One of the standout features of InVideo AI is its extensive library of templates. These templates are designed to make the video creation process as easy and efficient as possible. Whether you're creating a promo for social media or a full-length YouTube video, InVideo AI has a template that can help. The templates are fully customizable, allowing you to add your own text, images, and branding. This means you can create professional-looking videos that reflect your unique style and personality. So take advantage of InVideo AI's templates and start creating eye-catching promos that will attract new viewers and grow your subscriber base. More eyes equals more subscribers. The more people who see your videos, the more likely you are to gain subscribers. By using InVideo AI to create high-quality content and promote it on social media, you can increase your video's visibility and attract a larger audience. The platform's powerful tools and features make it easy to create content that stands out and gets noticed. So, don't be afraid to put yourself out there and promote your videos. The more exposure your content gets, the more subscribers you'll attract. And with invideo-ai's help, you can reach that 10K subscriber milestone faster than you ever imagined. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments and ask questions to boost interaction. Building a loyal audience is about more than just creating great content. It's also about engaging with your viewers and building a community. By replying to comments and asking questions, you can encourage interaction and create a sense of connection with your audience. invideo-ai can help you manage your comments and track your engagement, making it easier to stay connected with your viewers. So, take the time to engage with your audience and show them that you value their feedback. The more you interact with your viewers, the more loyal they will become, and the more likely they are to share your content and help you grow your channel. Collaborate with other creators to reach new audiences. Collaboration is a powerful way to grow your YouTube channel. By working with other creators, you can reach new audiences and attract more subscribers. invideo-ai makes it easy to create collaborative content that showcases your unique talents and strengths. The platform's tools and features allow you to seamlessly integrate footage from multiple creators, ensuring that your collaborative videos look professional and polished. So don't be afraid to reach out to other creators and explore collaboration opportunities. The more you collaborate, the more exposure your channel will get, and the faster you'll reach that 10K subscriber milestone. So, ready to hit that 10K mark? With invideo-ai, reaching 10K subscribers is not just a dream, it's a reality. The platform's powerful tools and features make it easier than ever to create high-quality content, engage with your audience, and promote your videos. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, invideo-ai has everything you need to grow your channel and reach your goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start using invideo-ai today and watch your subscriber count soar. Happy creating! And don't forget, there's a link in the description for a 50% discount on invideo subscription plans. Start using invideo-ai today. Happy creating! The journey to 10K subscribers starts with a single step, and that step is using invideo-ai. With its user-friendly interface, powerful features, and extensive library of templates, invideo-ai is the ultimate tool for content creators. So, take the plunge and start using invideo-ai today. You'll be amazed at how much easier and more enjoyable the video creation process can be. And before you know it, you'll be celebrating your 10K subscriber milestone. Happy creating! And remember, check the description for a 50% discount on invideo subscription plans. What strategies have you found most effective for growing your channel? Let us know in the comments below. Every content creator's journey is unique, and we can all learn from each other's experiences. So, share your tips and strategies in the comments below. What has worked for you? What challenges have you faced? Let's create a community of support and encouragement, where we can all grow and succeed together. And remember, with invideo-ai, the sky's the limit. Happy creating!